Okay, welcome back. So now we'll show you how to develop a 3D printer. So initially we'll take two 400 mm aluminum extrusion. So we'll keep it here. Next we'll take another two 360 mm aluminum extrusion which is already cut and we have already shown. So now we'll place it like this. So here this four pieces, these four aluminum extrusion pieces actually forms a base for your 3D printer. So here your 400 mm extrusion, aluminum extrusion act as a y-axis and your 360 mm aluminum extrusion piece act as a x-axis. So now have to connect it. In order to connect it, I've already shown you how we'll be using a angular brackets. So we'll be placing these two on the corners. So make sure that these T should insert into the aluminum slots. So then with the help of a align key you just tighten it. So one side it is done and do the same thing on the other side as well. So one corner is fixed. Similarly, take the another one, do it on all the three sides. So now I am fixing the third corner I am fixing. And the last side. Okay, so this frame forms the base for your 3D printer. So next, this is the bottom face. Similarly, we'll prepare a top face as well. So we'll keep it to the side. So now, so again 400 two pieces, 360 mm two pieces. So this is your y-axis and 360 mm forms the x-axis. Similarly, take it. place it at the corners and tighten it with the help of a Allen key.
Okay guys, so now one side of the frame is ready. So make sure that all the frames has to fit properly. There should not be any overhang. Right? So the line arrangement, everything should proper. Make sure that, and just tighten all the screws very rigidly so that there should not be any leakages and leakages. Now I will take 500 mm length of aluminum extrusion for the vertical height. Right? So now this is how we have to fix. So make sure that all the frames has to fix in the edges. First loosen this and tighten the screws. Then rotate this. Okay? So now, little bit you just loosen this and adjust the position of this. When the position is proper, then lock your screw very rigidly so that your frames will fit properly. So unnecessary vibration will not going to generate during the process. Right? So next. And again I will use this and I'm going to fix to this frame. And these screws and nuts what I used is very easy to fix and tighten. And also whenever you want you can remove this. Assembly and disassembly is very easy. That's what I prefer to use aluminum extrusion for 3D printing. Tighten this rigidly. Then this bottom one. So for each corner, preferably I am using 2. If you want still more rigidity, we can use 3 sets. Okay, so I left with last one. So here I have a shortage of this. I am using my own 3D printed corner brackets made with PLA. You can print your own brackets, corner brackets. So always prefer, if you are printing, you can go with a 100% density. So that you will get very rigid. And these plastics don't go with the full tightening. So what will happen now? Sometimes parts are going to break. So don't go for full tightening. See, almost 90% of my frame is ready. So after tightening, my frame is ready. So I have one more side. So I have to fix it over at the top portion. Okay. So next, why I use this kind of frame? So I am developing SCARA type. So individual motor I am going to use to control individual movement. Single X-axis motor. X-axis motor to control X-axis movement. Y-axis motor I'm going to use to control Y-axis. Z-axis motor